Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to share the activity relationship chart. This method belongs to qualitative flow measurement, which is important to create the flow of facility layout. This method is well known as traditional method that depends on qualitative or personal measurement. The error of the estimation may vary related to the personal experience of the object. To begin with, hot work is any process that can be source of ignition. When flammable material is present or can be a fire hazard, regardless of the presence of flammable material in the workplace. Common hot work processes are welding, soldering, cutting, and brazing. When flammable material are present processes such as grinding and drilling, it will become hot work processes. Then, as a consequence, the hot facility should be put correctly and don't jeopardize another department. A facility planner should investigate the relationship all departments. Due to the great variety and multiplicity the relationship involved, it is advisable to construct separate relationship chart for each major relationship being measured. For example, the flow, the material flow, the personal flow, the information flow, the organizational, control, environmental, and process relationship. The activity relationship chart shows the relationship of every department, office, or service area with every other department and area. The use of metric to show department relationship and also closeness code. Closeness code reflects to the importance of each relationship. We use alphabetical to describe the closeness. A is absolutely necessary that these two departments be next to each other. E means especially important. I means important. O means ordinary important. U means unimportant. X means closeness undesirable. Then, how to apply IRC to facility layout flow? The steps are: list all departments in vertical column, establish the relationship code for each following department, generate reason code. For example, 1 means for better flow, 2 means all material moves between these two departments, 3 means people movement, etc. The matrix combination can be generated by using this formula and represent total number of departments. Let's say we have 14 departments, then the total combination of department relationship is 19 combinations. Okay, let's say we apply to the case. I have 14 departments, consist of fabrications, welding, paint, assembly, receiving until offices, as shown in this metric picture. And then just draw the metric that has 91 combinations or boxes. Let's take a look closeness code. If a department has strong relationship, whether it has similar machine, product, or other characteristic, then it should be placed closely. We can put A mark at the matrix and put reason below the line. Code will be put at the angle created by two departments. You can use line or finger to point out or trace out where the point will meet. For example, this line. So the relationship between fabrication and welding, just trace out the line and find out where the point will meet or the line will meet. Now continue to assess another department and fill out all the codes based on the relationship. It's better to invite different department representatives to finalize the department relationship, so the matrix will result the best solutions. After the matrix is completed with all the code, now let's create the summary of the code. You can use the table which describes the departments and also the number of code in each department. Beside IRC, there is another diagram that shows activity relationship. Relationship diagrams show the transformations of the proximity relationship to a spatial organization of department. Basically, it still needs closeness code, but graphical representation included. For example, double bold line, dash, zigzag that may have different meanings. Let's take a look at the relationship chart. There are 4 departments that should be placed closely. To depict the visual layout, the department will have double line. We have D3, D2, D4, S2, and S1 relationship, and continue to visualize the relationship among departments. The initial diagram will be taken as first layout that will be exchanged. We can exchange the position of department and make it possible to generate best layout. You can shift the location of the boxes but not relationship. Make sure there is no backtracking or crossing point at department flow. There is relationship diagram systematic procedure. 1. Place the department among which there is A relationship. Add the department among which there is E relationship to the previous placed department. Rearrange. Add department among which there is X relationship to the previously placed department. Rearrange. Add the department among which there is I relationship. Rearrange. Add the department among which there is O relationship. Rearrange. Add the rest of the department. Rearrange. Verify if all departments are placed and if the important relations are respected. IRC can help next facility layout process, just like the process of acquiring an alternative layout will apply several algorithms. So the software is required to generate solutions as one of the input to the software among others. IRC can be obtained by qualitative calculation conversion from form to chart. Now let's convert the form to chart into IRC. So this is given a form to chart that already go through several iterations. To convert the FDC, let's find out the highest value or number in the table. 90 is the highest score. Now let's keep this number as a baseline. The formula to create the range of closeness code is the highest score divided by 5. 5 represents the combination of closeness code, for example, A, E, I, U, X, O. So the range of closeness code is 18. Now let's generate the range of closeness code based closeness code started by 90 and the interval between the number is 18. For example, I code started by 73 to 90. E code is started by 55 to 72 and continue to determine the range level. After you had the range, now map the code based on the FDC table. For example, 90 will be put as A code. 65 is located in the range of E between 55 to 72, right? So this table is very important to generate the best flow of department and also the locations in the plan. And continue to map another based on the closeness level. Thank you for watching, guys.